Hey guys, Joe from Lawn Solutions Australia here. Check out this quick tip for looking after your lawn this winter. Over the cooler months, your lawn can become vulnerable and weeds can take over. This is because the growth of your lawn slows down, but the growth of the weeds continues to be strong. If weeds aren't a major problem and there's only a couple here or there, it's always best to remove by hand. If they start to get out of control, you can apply a selective herbicide that will kill the weed but not harm your lawn. If winter grass in particular is your problem, again, the same rule applies. Always best to remove by hand before they go to seed. If they're out of control, there are specialist herbicides you can get, such as winter grass killer, that will do the job. By keeping on top of the weeds in your lawn through winter, you'll get a head start on your spring lawn care. Check out the Lawn Solutions Australia website for more helpful lawn care tips and advice.